Hey everyone! If you're anything like me, you love getting things done without breaking the bank. Today, I'm diving into the best affordable tool brands in 2025. These brands give you top-notch quality without putting a dent in your wallet. Let's get started. First up, we've got Hyper Tough. This brand is well known for delivering solid performance at unbeatable prices. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just need tools for occasional home repairs, Hyper Tough has got you covered. Their cordless drills and hand tools are particularly popular. They might not have all the bells and whistles of high-end brands, but they get the job done efficiently. Next, let's talk about Black + Decker. This brand has been around forever, and it's no surprise why. They offer a wide range of tools that are reliable and affordable. From power tools to gardening equipment, Black + Decker is a household name you can trust. Their cordless screwdrivers and electric lawnmowers are especially worth mentioning. They strike a perfect balance between cost and durability. Another great brand is Ryobi. Now Ryobi might be a bit pricier than the first two, but they offer excellent value for what you pay. Their tools are durable, versatile, and come with innovative features. Plus, their ONE+ battery system is a game changer. One battery fits over 100 different tools. It's perfect for someone building up their tool collection without wanting a bunch of different chargers lying around. Let's not forget about Craftsman. Craftsman has been a trusted name in tools for decades. They're famous for their hand tools, but their power tools are also worth checking out. The best part? They offer a solid warranty on most of their products. So, if you ever run into issues, you're covered. Their wrenches and socket sets are particularly sturdy and reliable. Finally, I've got to mention Harbor Freight's in-house brands like Pittsburgh and Bauer. Harbor Freight is the go-to store for budget-conscious shoppers. Their tools are incredibly affordable, and they often have great sales and coupons. While you might not get the same longevity as premium brands, for the price, it's hard to beat. Pittsburgh hand tools and Bauer power tools are some of the best bang for your buck. So there you have it. Hyper Tough, Black + Decker, Ryobi, Craftsman, and Harbor Freight's in-house brands. Each of these offers quality tools without costing a fortune. Remember, you don't have to spend a lot to get good tools. Shop smart and happy building. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more budget-friendly tips and reviews. Catch you in the next one.